Insurance plays a vital role in financial planning, providing protection against unforeseen circumstances that could result in heavy financial losses. However, navigating the complex world of insurance policies can be daunting, and mistakes can be costly. This article outlines common insurance mistakes to avoid, helping you secure the protection you need without any future regrets. Mistakes under insuring your assets. Understand whether it is your home, vehicle, or personal belongings can leave you financially vulnerable when disaster strikes. Always ensure your coverage matches the value of your asset. Regularly update your insurance policies, especially after major purchase or home improvements. Mistakes 2. Ignoring the details. Insurance policies are often complex with numerous exclusions, deductibles, and policy limits. Failing to understand these details can lead to coverage gaps. Be sure to read your policy thoroughly and ask your insurer to explain anything you don't understand. Mistake 3. Not shopping around. Not all insurance policies are created equal. Failing to compare policies from different providers could mean missing out on better coverage or lower premiums. Use comparison tools online, or work with an independent insurance agent to help you evaluate multiple options. Mistake 4. Failing to update your policy. Life changes such as marriage, having a child, starting a business, or retiring can significantly impact your insurance need. If you don't update your insurance to reflect these changes, you might find yourself underinsured or overpaying for unnecessary coverage. Mistake 5. Neglecting to bundle your policies. Many insurance companies offer discounts for building multiple types of insurance such as home and auto. Neglecting to take advantage of these discounts can result in higher insurance costs. Mistake 6. Making frequent small claims. Insurance is designed to protect you from significant financial losses. Loss frequently making small claims can cause your premiums to rise and may even lead to non-renewal of your policy. Consider setting a higher deductible, and self-insuring for smaller losses to maintain affordable premiums. Mistake 7. Lying to your insurance. It can be tempting to fudge the facts or omit the information when applying for insurance to get lower premiums. However, lying to your insurer can lead to denied claims or policy cancellation. Always be truthful and upfront with your insurance company. Conclusion: avoiding these common insurance mistakes can help you get the most out of your insurance coverage and prevent future regrets. Always take the time to understand your policies, update your coverage as needed, and with careful planning.